Stop hating women for no reasons. You're blocking your own blessings. Some women carry gifts that was designed to help you heal, to help you break free. Your prayers that you're praying is connected to some of these women. The light that some women carry is 100% sometimes going to irritate the darkness, the demons that you haven't dealt with, that is inside of you. So you need to be very careful. You need to let light enter so that you can be able to break free and identify the light in other women. Stop blocking your own blessings. Women are sent to you to help you into your next era, because guess what? We are not designed to walk by ourselves. As much as I wanted to do that, because I'd rather not deal with demons and darkness, I cannot. This is me saying yes to God. God gives me the power. God gives me the heart to continue to love, to continue to inspire, to continue to be a light to other women. He puts the love inside of me for other women because He knows they need me. But if you're gonna hate women that is supposed to help you in any way, case, shape or form on your journey, wherever they are and wherever you are, then you're conning yourself out of a good thing.